Hey guys, this tutorial is scheduled for one fall. Introducing to you first, the broke beauty guru, the ring queen, Lexa Rose, and your host of Wrestling with Beauty. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today's look is back to my cartoon inspired ones. And I did this really pretty like Dory inspired one, and I didn't realize it was very Dory inspired one until like everybody told me it was. So I kind of wish I did a longer tutorial on that, but it's up on my Instagram if you want to check it out. But this one is an X-Men inspired look, and today we are going to be doing Colossus. So we've got a bunch of wonderful colors that we're going to be working with, and you know what? Let's just cut to the chase and let's get this started. I'm pretty sure you already know who Colossus is. You've seen the Deadpool movies. You already know he's the guy with the armor body. So that's for you non-comic people. For the comic people, y'all know who he is. I know who he is. And of course, we're going to go with the classic old school uncanny X-Men look from the comics with the red trunks and of course the yellow and stuff like that. So it's going to be really three colors, maybe just a smidge of black. So we're going to be working with yellow, red, and silver. So let's get started. We're going to go right into our Take Me Back to Brazil palette. We're going to hit up this red and we're going to just put that right on the crease and get started. Okay, so now that we've got the red placed on, we're going to kind of diffuse it a little bit. So we're going to take a clean fluffy brush and we're just going to hit up this orange color. We're going to go with the darker orange and the lighter orange. We're just going to mix them together and we're going to use it to blend out the harsh edges of the red. Okay, so now that we've got the orange, you really didn't need that much. We're just going to hit up these yellows. 1, 2, 3, and we're just going to put that right on top. Okay, so now that we've got the yellows and reds on, we're going to also do yellow on the bottom to kind of, because I feel like I did a little bit too much red and orange up here, which is fine. It came out better than I anticipated, but we're going to just cut the crease really quickly to throw on the silver. It's a really simple look. It's really not too big, too crazy, or anything like that. We're just going to grab our Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, and we're just going to throw this right on the lid. Okay, so now that we've got our cut crease on, we're going to go right into our NYX Avant Pop, and we're going to just hit up this silver color, and we're just going to throw that all on the lid. Okay, so now that we've got that on, we're going to go right back into our Avant Pop, and we're going to hit up this shimmery black color to put right on the outer corners. Okay, so this actually came out not too bad. The black was a little too chalky, and it took a little bit to work with, but I like how it came out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start doing the lines. So I'm grabbing my Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in black, and we're going to just get started. Holy crap, that actually came out pretty good. Lines are crooked, but y'all get the point. I'm still learning. Okay, so there was a bit of a snafu. I don't know if you could see right here. I was trying to conceal because somehow all the fallout from the black just stained my face really badly. So with that being said, we're just going to keep going and hope for the best. What we're going to do next is we're going to put on our Fenty Pro Filter Foundation in 250. Oh, wait, no. Primer. She's getting used. We're just going to prime the face. I completely forgot about that. I didn't even do that before I even did my eyebrows. Shame on me. Anyways, let's get started. We're just going to try and squeeze out whatever's left of this stuff. I think it's officially kicked the bucket as of right now because I had to really squeeze it. So let's get whatever's left of this out and prime our face. Now the Pro Filter. And just put a couple of dollops, not too much, and just tamp it on the face, and then start blending it out. Okay, for contour, we're gonna go right back into our Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral, and then we're gonna use Tan Sands, and we're just gonna plop that right over the face. Now we're gonna grab our foundation brush or whatever, and we're blending. Okay, so now we're gonna just set everything with contour, and we're grabbing our Airspun, which is actually a smorgasbord mix of all different kinds of powders along with Airspun, but it's mostly Airspun. Okay, for contour, we're using this. You know what it is. You know. Apparently, it don't fucking like me either. I mean, I love the formula. I love the whole thing. It's good stuff. Can't be mad at it. Use the force, Luke. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, to smoke out the bottom lash line, we're just gonna go right into that yellow because we wanna make that yellow stand out a little bit more. We're just gonna pop that right underneath. Now we don't have to worry about using black to smoke it out because the mess of the black that was already on there kind of diffused itself, which is good. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to prepare our hair because, you know, this beautiful straight coif needs protection. And we're going in. But before we do that, I completely forgot about my hard ombre blush. So we're just gonna grab our NYX. I mean, there's a lot of NYX products that's been used on my face. I mean, I love NYX, so can't really complain. Their products are really good, as you can tell. I mean, their black eyeshadows are a little chalky, but that's okay. You know, I like a challenge. I like something to work with. I like something to challenge me and make me say, I can do this. So, like I said, it's a good, they have good products. They're just black eyeshadows are just kind of hit or miss. I guess they never miss, huh? We got the setting spray. We're gonna put it on, y'all. Yeah. And I always do this before I put on mascara because there's been times where I put on mascara and fam, like I put the setting spray after and it would just start like bleeding, and yeah, it was not very, very pretty. So we're going into our Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder mascara because we want to really make these look like spiders. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna go into another, this Illuminati looking thing. And we're gonna hit up, there's nothing really green, so we're just gonna go with the blue sapphire because there are like reflects of blue in Colossus, especially with old school comics. They would use blue as a highlight for, you know, black hair types. If you look at the old school Archie comics, you'll see how they did Veronica Lodge's hair. So yeah, I think this will work pretty nicely. Imagine if I could like interview Jeffree Star for my like barefaced confessionals. Maybe even get Jeffree to watch some wrestling with me. Can't forget the inner and brow bone. Okay, so since I don't want to take away from all this, I'm not going to do a dark lip. We're going to go right into my favorite Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Sagittarius, for obvious reasons. You know, Sagittarius season. Yo, not for nothing. This doe foot and the formula, I don't know what combo it is, but it always tickles my lips when I apply it. Okay, so this is the final look. This is my Colossus inspired makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See, this came out better than I thought it would. And mind you, I was having a snafu over here in the corners with the black shadows, and the fallout was so freaking bad. And because I had primed my eyes, it was sticking, so I couldn't really brush it off. So yeah, that was my fault. I should have just done the whole full face and then baked and then done the eye look. But you know what? It is what it is. Lesson learned. Now I know for next time. But this is the final look. I'm really feeling it. I feel so pretty. But again, this has been a very fun. Like I said, I love doing these. These are really fun that they're inspired and not just, oh, I'm just throwing a look together or whatever. I like being inspired and I like to inspire people. That's my thing. That's what I love to do. So when I go out of my way to do these inspired looks, I want you guys to know that not only am I inspired, but I'm trying to inspire you to break out of your comfort zone and try new things and try different styles and try, to be artistic. This is the whole, like James Charles says, unleash your inner artist, So I want to help encourage that. I believe in that. And I hope that you guys really like this look, and I hope that maybe you're inspired to maybe catch up on some old 90s cartoons like X-Men. So this has been the Broke Beauty Guru, the Broke Beauty Guru, the Ring Queen Lexa Rose, with another episode of Wrestling with Beauty, and I will see you on my next tutorial. Bye, guys.
Yeah.